One stormy night, thunder roared across the island of Sodier. Rain poured from the sky, and lightning lit up the tracks. Thomas the tank engine was on a very special mission. His best friend Percy had gotten stuck near the cliffs, and the rising water threatened to wash him away. Brave Thomas didn't waste a second. "I must help Percy," he puffed as he sped down the slippery tracks. Trees swayed wildly, and branches fell, but Thomas kept going. The wind howled, and a bolt of lightning struck close by, making Thomas jump. But he didn't stop. Suddenly, he saw Harold the helicopter above. "Thomas, the bridge is weak ahead," Harold warned. Thomas slowed down just enough to cross safely, his wheels splashing through the flooded rails. Finally, Thomas reached Percy, who looked scared and cold. "Don't worry, Percy. I'm here," said Thomas. With the help of Rocky the crane, Thomas pulled Percy back to safety. All the engines cheered the next day. Thomas was a true hero, not because he was fast, but because he was brave and loyal.